Hi friends, welcome to Arnav's World. Today is the third episode in the geography series. Today we are going to discuss about Africa. So Africa is the world's second largest and the second populous continent in the world. Its area is 30.3 million square kilometers, which is 6% of the total surface area of the earth and 20% of the total land area of earth, which is a massive difference between Asia and, of course, Africa. Africa has 1.3 billion people, which is 60% of the world's human population. 54 countries and 8 territories are there. Because of these 54 countries, it is the continent with the most countries. Yes. So, Africa lies in 4 cardinal hemispheres. That means, for example, this is the earth, this is Africa, this is the axis, this is the equator. So here is the point between the east, west, south, north. They are all here in one continent. It goes like this. Okay. And the point of all those is also in the African plate, but not in the land of Africa, which is disappointing. So there's no place on land which we can ever visit that has the exact place between the axis and the equator. Very, very disappointing. Yes. Okay. So it lies also between the Cancer of Tropican and the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. So here is the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. Both of them, they just look like that. So it is the birthplace of humans. We were first born only here in Ethiopia. That means we are loyal to Ethiopia. So, the transatlantic slave trade started only here in the 16th century. Approximately 7 to 12 million slaves were traded. So, I'll show what the transatlantic slave trade was. So, if this was Africa, the Americas, I'll put them like this. And Europe. This is Europe. E, M, and A. So, first the slaves were here. They were brought to the Americas to mine or find gold or any raw materials. The Europeans brought them to America. Then the raw materials were brought to Europe. Then the Europeans processed them and turned them into other things like pickaxes, cutlasses, etc. So they will sell some here and sell some in Africa because Africa had low items. Low raw materials. So they also sell them here. So again they bought slaves and again brought them to America, and that's a repeating everlasting cycle. So in the late 19th century, European countries colonized almost all Africa. Only 2 countries remained, Ethiopia and Liberia. Again, Ethiopia was once taken over by Italy, the mastermind, who finally defeated Ethiopia for the bad. Okay. The religions in Africa are Christians, which are 51%, Islam 40%, local religion 6%, and non-religious people 2%. Yes, the languages in Africa are English, French, Portuguese, Swahili, which here somewhere there in Africa. Arabic in 1250 to 3000 native languages. Wow. Yeah. Okay. It is home to much of the Earth's biodiversity. This continent is heavily affected by a wide range of environmental issues, mainly desertification, deforestation, water scarcity, etc. That's why they sold many things to Africa back then. The frequent boundary conflicts taken place because of irrational division of countries by the Western world or Europe or America when they were still colonies. Now I'll draw the map of Africa. So here is Africa. Yeah, this is the Africa. Are you thinking why I am not drawing the countries? Yes, I'm not drawing the countries. Just see them in the maps in your Google, okay? There are too many countries, okay? Just understand me. So, around Africa there is the Atlantic Ocean right over here, right there. The Indian Ocean. It's named by India. Name's right. So, Atlantic, I'll write the names. Atlantic, India. Next in the north, Indian. In the north is the Mediterranean Sea. EDITE, something like that. Okay, it's confusing name. Oh. In Africa again there is the Sahara Desert. Do you know the Sahara Desert was once a very good fertile land, but because of the earth rotation or the speed of its rotation, which changes sometimes, but not now, it will not change now. It will take many years, like thousands. It changed then, like 5000 BC again, and it turned into this desert, a hot desert. It is the biggest hot desert. What you are thinking? Why? What? A hot desert? What are the other deserts, you may ask? Yeah, there are other deserts, which is the cold desert. Desert doesn't only mean it will be hot. So cold deserts are like Antarctica. So yeah, I'll say that. It is the Sahara is like this. Then even goes out like this. And one fun fact: do you know here is the Suez Canal, the boundary between Asia and Africa? It was once not even a canal. It was a man-made canal. Once there was the Suez Isthmus, which connected Asia and Africa. But now Africa is completely total island, technically, right? Okay, so here is the Nile River, which is the longest river on earth. It passes 10 countries. It also divides into two parts, the White and Blue Nile, which both start at different points. And one fun fact, if you thought rivers started here and end here, you're wrong. They started from mountains or rain from these places and finally come back to the sea. You thought it was wrong. Yeah. Okay. There are again many more pieces that go around, but there are too many. I can't explain all of them in one video. The biggest country in Africa is Algeria, and the smallest Seychelles. right over here. And here is Madagascar. If you watched the movie, you may remember it. Yeah. And again, the most populous country in Africa is Nigeria. It's somewhere over there, here at the coast. It is very populated and is more populated than 2 countries in Africa, like some things like Rwanda and Burundi. Yeah. And even some countries here like Chad or Mali combined to make a smaller population than this Nigeria, even if they are bigger in mass or in size. That's a fun fact. Now I'll explain some facts about Africa. The world's largest river is the Nile, which is in Africa, which is 6,853 kilometers long. No one can walk continuously that long. The world's largest hot desert is in Africa, which is the Sahara, which is located in 11 countries. Big, very big. The world's tallest and largest land animals both come from Africa. The tallest is the giraffe and the largest is, guess it, the African bush elephant. Okay, Angola has more Portuguese speakers than Portugal itself. Wow! Because that country was ruled by Portugal hundreds of years ago. That means 100 years ago. The most widely spoken language is Arabic in Africa. And Africa is the hottest continent on the earth. It will be hot. Just drink a lot of water, please, when you go there. In the Sahara, not in the jungles, because there it would be cold. Yeah. So, Nigeria has the highest number of twins born in the world, and I have twin cousins. So, Sudan has more pyramids than Egypt itself, which is named for pyramids. How? It has the most pyramids in the world. Sudan, this thing. The highest mountain in Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro. It is a volcanic plateau, which is a plateau made from a volcano. It is understood by its name, so I don't need to explain you. Africa's largest waterfalls is Victoria Falls, which is between the Zimbabwe and Zambia border, and the Mount Kilimanjaro is in Tanzania, near the Tanzanian-Kenyan border. Despite a wide range of natural resources, Africa is the least wealthiest country because of geographic impediments, which means problems, European colonization, and the Cold War, which was the most recent thing. Poverty, illiteracy, malnutrition, inadequate water supply are the main problems of Africa. So help Africa. And you may visit Africa because it is a beautiful place with the pyramids of Giza, and only the pyramids of Giza, and Egypt and South Africa and those, and Savannah. So this is for today. This is about Africa. Bye.